SyncStudy AI is making waves as one of the best new AI tools just released. And in this SyncStudy AI review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're looking to level up your productivity, especially in studying or content creation, you're going to want to stick around for this. Trust me, by the end, you'll understand why SyncStudy AI could be a game changer for you. First off, SyncStudy AI brings a fresh approach to study and content automation. It's designed for students and professionals alike, aiming to streamline research, note-taking, and content generation. Whether you're writing essays, creating reports, or just trying to organize your thoughts more effectively, this tool claims to simplify it all with AI-driven features that learn and adapt to your personal style. One of the standout features of SyncStudy AI is its ability to automatically generate structured notes from unorganized content. Whether it's from videos, lectures, or articles, the AI instantly analyzes the text or audio, extracting key points, summarizing information, and even suggesting related topics for deeper research. This means you spend less time looking for information and more time focusing on what actually matters. Another feature that really sets SyncStudy AI apart is its customizability. The AI adapts to your unique study style. If you're more of a visual learner, SyncStudy AI can generate mind maps or charts based on your notes. For those who prefer written summaries, it tailors the output to your needs, making study sessions much more effective. SyncStudy AI also integrates seamlessly with other popular tools like Google Docs, Microsoft Word, and Evernote, which makes transferring your notes or research easy and fast. For anyone who's already using these platforms, it's a huge time saver because you don't need to learn a completely new system. SyncStudy just plugs right into your existing workflow. And if you're concerned about AI's ability to understand complex subject matter, don't be. SyncStudy AI has a powerful context-aware engine that can break down and explain even the most challenging topics. This isn't just a surface-level tool, it actually dives deep, providing nuanced explanations and helping you to truly understand the material. It's like having a tutor available at all times. Let's talk about speed. With SyncStudy AI, everything is fast. The AI processes information almost instantly, making it a perfect tool for tight deadlines or quick turnarounds. Imagine the advantage of having your notes or study material auto-generated in seconds instead of spending hours writing them out yourself. It's like having an extra pair of hands that never gets tired. Now, if you're new to AI tools, you're probably wondering, is it really worth the investment? Here's the kicker. SyncStudy AI offers a free trial through the first link below. You can test out all these features without spending a dime. This gives you the opportunity to really see if it's the right fit for your study habits or workflow before committing. By now, you're probably curious about the long-term potential of SyncStudy AI. Is it just a gimmick, or is it really revolutionary? The answer is clear. It's definitely worth considering if you're serious about maximizing your productivity and learning efficiency. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve with AI software, check out SyncStudy AI through the link below and see how it can work for you. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and after all my testing, I've included my recommended software in the description that you can also try for free. If you found this review helpful, go ahead and click the link to explore SyncStudy AI for yourself. Don't miss out on the chance to enhance your study game with cutting-edge technology.